Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change username on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, then click on menu option and click on settings and privacy and tap on settings. Okay, click on see more in account center and click on profile. Tap on your profile and click on username and change and set your username. First BD, okay, then space, sorry, okay, then first BD, okay, then current username, BD, then technical problem and change same way. Just tap on this option and change and customize. Click on done. That's all to change username on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.